Hi guys, I'm Eileen. So Black Friday is around the corner and pretty soon after that it'll be Christmas. I love this time of the year because it feels so cozy and festive. Besides, this is usually the time of the year where I get a lot of my wishlist items because many designer pieces go on sale. In the last few years, I managed to get quite a lot of discounted luxury items, and many of them have turned out to be really good investment pieces in my wardrobe. In fact, many designer shoes in my collection were bought on sales. So I thought it would be great to share with you the amazing luxury brands that offer good discounts, and hopefully you can save some money too. I mostly shop online now and I love using ShopTagger because it makes online shopping so much easier. There are several websites I like to shop from, including Net-a-Porter, Mytheresa and Farfetch. So during sales season, it can be pretty chaotic to check out every website to locate a good deal. So I like to use ShopTagger to consolidate everything into one place. It's free and so easy to use. All you have to do is download it on your Google Chrome, and when you're shopping online and come across something you like, you can just save it using the ShopTagger button in the exact color and size you want. When this product goes on sale, ShopTagger will notify you by email. If you download the app on your phone, you'll also get a push notification. Another reason I love using ShopTagger is because I can organize my items into different categories. For example, I have a skincare one, which has all the staple skincare and makeup products I use. These are the items I would have paid full price for anyway, so it's even better if I can get them on sale. At checkout, ShopTagger also shares the available discount codes, which you can apply to your purchase to save even more money. I use PayPal for a lot of online transactions because it's safer and easier. And now you can also get cashback via PayPal when using ShopTagger for online shopping. So if you want to save time and money, make sure to download ShopTagger on your phone and your laptop. I'll make sure to leave the link in the description box down below. I think you'll find it especially helpful for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So the first luxury brand to shop on sale for is Burberry. Obviously, Burberry is famous for their very classic trench coats, which come in many colors, materials and cuttings, and you'll be pleased to know that many of these do go on sale. I love my Burberry trench coat because it's been a fantastic investment in my wardrobe because I wear it so much, so I do highly recommend checking them out during sale season. In fact, I think Burberry makes some really solid outerwear in general. I have a black Burberry coat made of wool and cashmere, and it's just really lovely and comfortable. However, I've noticed the sizing for Burberry pieces can be quite inconsistent. For example, I might be a UK size 6 for one coat, but a size 10 for another design. So you might want to check out the sizing in person and make a note of it because you don't want to be doing last-minute research on Black Friday. Another luxury brand that often goes on sale is YSL or Saint Laurent. I only have one piece from this brand, which is the YSL pouch bag. I got this piece at 15% off from Mytheresa, and I remember at that point, pretty much all the YSL handbags were discounted. I've mentioned several times on my channel that I've been really enjoying this piece, so I have been checking out other pieces from YSL, and I really like their card holders, leather totes, and the YSL Lou mini bag. To be honest, I think YSL pieces are priced very fairly considering their quality is so amazing. Currently, I have the YSL leather espadrilles on my wishlist. I've added them to the ShopTagger account and hopefully they will go on sale on Black Friday. Another luxury brand you should absolutely keep an eye on is Mulberry. I mainly look at their bags and they do offer really good discounts. In fact, even their very classic pieces like the Mulberry Bayswater bags and the Mulberry Lily bags do go on sale. I previously had a Mulberry Lily bag in the size small, and it was such a versatile and wonderful bag. The calf leather was soft, but scratch resistant. And because the bag was not as structured as a Chanel classic flap, it could actually fit quite a lot for a small bag. So I have no qualms about recommending Mulberry pieces because I had really good experience with their product quality. The two bags that really stand out to me recently are the Mulberry Bayswater Leather Totes and the Mulberry Mini Millie, both of which are very low-key, practical and beautiful. If you're quite new to Mulberry, you might want to check out their small leather goods first. I love my Chanel Mini O case, but if it fails on me, I think I will check out the Mulberry small leather pouch. As I mentioned, one of my favorite items to get on sale are shoes. And the main reason is because shoes literally show wear and tear on the very first day we wear them. So unlike fine jewelry and luxury handbags, the resale values for designer shoes are pretty much non-existent. So if I could offset some financial loss with some discounts, I'll happily do that. Personally, I really enjoy Tots because they make some really good quality and comfortable footwear. My favorites are their driving shoes. In fact, I wear them as my daily walking shoes, and they are also my shoes of choice when I go on a trip. As much as I love them though, I try not to buy them at full price because they show wear and tear even quicker than normal shoes. If you have a look at them, the leather extends to the bottom part of the shoes. There are some rubber pebbles, but they will not stop the leather from touching the floor. So as you can see, the leather does get dirty pretty quickly. Besides, unlike shoes with rubber soles, you can't really resole these. Anyway, I still really enjoy Tots, and this is a brand I routinely check for sale. Next, I want to recommend the brand Roger Vivier if you're looking for beautiful designer shoes at a good discount. A lot of their shoes feature the very iconic buckles, and I especially like their gourmet ballerinas and the trumpet ballerinas. I have two pair of Roger Vivier flats, both of which I got at 30% off, and I think they are worth every penny because I wear them so much, especially in spring and summer. So the first pair are in grey pattern leather, and the second one are in a beautiful light brown suede leather. I think the design is so classic, timeless and versatile, and these are the kind of shoes that will look lovely on just about everyone. More importantly, they are so comfortable to walk in. Now I must say the pair in the grey pattern leather did take a short while to break in, but otherwise they've just been really fabulous in my wardrobe. Next, let's talk about Valentino. I'm not too sure about their handbags, but I think their shoes are beautiful. Needless to say, the Valentino Rockstar collection has been popular for a while now, and I think this is one of the very few trendy designs that has successfully transitioned to a permanent collection. I love my Valentino Rockstar flats. I think they look very elegant and modern. But I also love the many extensions of this collection, including the ankle boots, sandals and espadrilles. If you are a fan of this collection, you'll be glad to know that many of them do go on sale, but the neutral colors tend to sell out very quickly. I bought mine at full price many years ago. I wish I never did because I could have saved so much money. Anyway, if you think the Rockstar collection is a bit too basic or common, I recommend looking at the Valentino Vloggo design instead. I've been eyeing on them for quite some time now. They are quite similar to what I already have in my collection, but they are so lovely. Anyway, I've added them to my wishlist, and let's see if they'll go on sale on Black Friday. Seeing I've spoken a lot about shoes, now let's move on to where I shop for my clothes. So I like to browse on Outnet, which is like an outlet website. This is where you'll find a lot of designer pieces which are no longer in season, or just pieces which are not very popular. Therefore, they are heavily discounted. To be honest, it really doesn't bother me that these pieces are no longer in fashion because I don't follow trends anyway. Besides, I usually look for pieces with very simple designs, so they really shouldn't look outdated anytime soon. I'm usually very mindful when it comes to shopping for clothing because first of all, I don't want any clutters. Secondly, just like shoes, the resale values for ready-to-wear are not usually very promising, so I do appreciate some discounts in this department. There are some amazing offers on Outnet during Black Friday and Boxing Day, and I especially like to shop for cashmere pieces, winter jumpers, and jeans. The two favorite pieces I bought from Outnet include a cashmere oversized dress from Amanda Wigley and a shearling gilet from Carl Donahue. Both pieces were actually discounted at 30% on top of the sale prices. Another luxury brand I'm always checking out for sales is Max Mara. I just love so many of their coats, and my current obsession is a short teddy coat in a black beige color. It just looks so chic and cozy. I've actually been eyeing on it for over a year now. It's super expensive, so even though I did see it on sale last year, I didn't pull the trigger. Anyway, if you're looking for an investment piece and something you'll be wearing for a long time, make sure to check out Max Mara. Those are the best luxury brands to buy on sale. Now, I'm all about intentional spending, so I'll never encourage anyone to buy something just because it's on sale. But if you're gonna buy the item anyway, why not enjoy some saving just by shopping at the right time? On that note, I would love to know if you have any wishlist items you are planning to get this Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to share, like and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Have a nice day.